Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Downloader on any smart TV. Alright, let's begin. First, turn on your smart TV and go to the App Store or Play Store available on your device. This works on Android TV, Google TV, and other smart TVs that support app downloads. Once the store opens, move to the search bar and type Downloader using your remote. Make sure you select the official Downloader app from the search results. After opening the app page, click on the Get or Download button and wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the app is fully downloaded, select Open to launch it. When Downloader opens for the first time, allow any required permissions so the app can function properly. After that, the app is ready to use. You can now use Downloader to access files, enter URLs, or download content directly on your smart TV whenever needed. If you do not see the app immediately, return to the home screen and check your installed apps list. The Downloader app will be available there for easy access. So that's basically how you can install Downloader on any smart TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.